It is currently... What is the time? Welcome to another video, another... Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. Hi everyone, welcome to another video at Project Jeep Life. This is week 2, day 1 of our preparation for our cross Canada overlanding adventure. It is currently 1:36 in the afternoon. We spent the morning like we always do. We woke up. We were actually parked at a Walmart parking lot. We woke up, we had breakfast, which is cereal, and then we went over to our gym. We got a little bit of workout in, and then we freshened up, and here we are. The plan for the day is to head over to Princess Auto because we need to pick up some parts for the secondary battery. So we'll pick that up, and then hopefully, if time permits and we have enough daylight left, we're gonna head over to our storage unit where we have an awning stored, and we'll try and install that. Okay, see you. Fun fact, we installed it upside down, so we have to start all over again. So this is our second attempt at trying to get this awning right. Did we do it right this time? We finally have our awning after multiple, I'd say, okay, one failed attempt. We finally have the awning. He gets trapped inside. Okay, I can't feel my lips. That was probably the worst awning installation and takedown and everything ever. I am so disappointed with us. That took longer than expected, but now that's done. This is where we pick up all of our Amazon orders at Canada Post, and we've ordered a bunch of stuff that we're gonna go pick up now, and then we'll get some food. This is something I'm very excited for.
I am excited about this.
We don't want to open that one in public because it's a toilet seat. Okay, I think we're gonna end the vlog here for today. I am very excited for this kettle right now. I'll let you guys know how it goes. That's about it. Bye. Hi everyone, it is day 2. The day has begun. First stop, we're here at a shop to get our steering and suspension components checked. Okay, so we got an appointment for tomorrow at 8 o'clock. And now we're going to head over to a Jeep dealership because we ran into a bit of a situation last night. I was really excited to use this kettle. It is a 12-volt kettle. But unfortunately, I plugged this in along with our bunk bed warmer. We plugged both in to our 12-volt outlet here in the Jeep, and I think we blew the fuse. It stopped working, and we need to take it over to a dealership to get it looked at right now. So let's go get that done. Okay, go. Oh wait. last couple of hours sorting out all the stuff that we haven't used in the Jeep for about 2 months and stuff that we don't really need. And this is all that stuff. It's in this bag. So hopefully today is the last day we will be doing any online shopping or any research or any of that. We're hoping to be done with it, and from tomorrow onwards just setting up the Jeep, setting all other things up and stuff like that. Okay? Fingers crossed. Oh, we're at the library doing research.
Thank you.
Thank you, bye. It's another day. We woke up bright and early. We had to go get our steering and suspension confidence checked, like I mentioned before. So we did that first thing in the morning, and now we're heading over to four-wheel parts. We called in ahead and we asked them if they had some of the accessories that we wanted to get, and they said that it was in stock, so we're going to pick some of that up. It's an hour's drive, just getting there, so that's what we're doing right now, and we'll see you in a bit. It's take 2 trying the kettle out. Let's hope it works this time. And see the red light there? Apparently that's supposed to go green when it's done, so fingers crossed. So the light didn't change, but we do have hot water. So we bought a bunch of stuff.
Yeah.
And Ryan here has been really helpful. We're at four-wheel parts right now, and yeah, thank you so much for that.
No problem.
And that guy too, he's been helpful. I don't know what his name is.
That's Aaron.
Aaron. Look what I made with my brand new kettle. Is my hair okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So these are all the things that we bought today. First, a shovel that fits into this bag. Second, a portable air compressor that fits into this bag. Third, a 5-gallon jerry can. Fourth, traction pads, which comes in this bag. Fifth, high lift jack. Sixth, this winch. Why is my nose so red? We just picked up a diesel air heater from Canada Post, and right now I have to go to class. I haven't told you this, but I can't drive yet, so I'm in the process of getting my license, so I have to go to driving class. I'll see you guys after that. Hi.
How was your class?
It was good. He said I'm driving good today, and he taught me 6 types of parking.
What are they?
Front, reverse, up here, down here, 3-point turn, and parallel. But he didn't teach me how to do parallel, he just told me there's parallel. So that's for tomorrow.
Did you pass the test?
There's no test. Like I went to class. Remember? What test? Will I pass the test? I don't know. Maybe. So this is the big reveal of the diesel air heater. It comes with bubble wrap. Literally on the first day that we got our mic, we lost this part that goes over the batteries. So we haven't been really able to use the mic because we were afraid it would get wet and get snow and stuff on it. And today, finally, when we were cleaning the entire Jeep, when we were vacuuming, I found it. You'll not believe where I found it. I found it under the seat, under the carpet, like between all those wires that go to the headlights and stuff. Found it there. Headlights? No, probably it's somewhere else. But under some wires. Found it there. I'm so excited. The Jeep is locked and loaded. Look at that beauty. Got the winch installed. The heater is not happening today. It's getting a bit dark and it's snowing, as you can see, but the winch is on the Jeep. Yay! Our landlord, who the old apartment we lived in, he was kind enough to let us use his garage, so that's where we got all of this done. It was still a bit cold, but it was good. It was some place where we could work. Here's a quick glimpse of what it looks like. Today is the day we'll hopefully get the heater installed. It's snowing quite a bit, so we built ourselves this little shelter. We used our awning, and hopefully we'll get the heater done today. Okay, so what we're looking at is a 5 kilowatt heater. This is a Chinese heater. So we tried a lot to get a 2 kilowatt heater, but we couldn't because we got this from Amazon, and we couldn't get any 2 kilowatt heaters because all the heaters that are labeled 2 kilowatt are actually 5 kilowatt heaters, is what we learned, like reading from the comments and stuff, all the reviews. That's what it said. So we thought best we get a 5 kilowatt heater instead of buying a 2 kilowatt heater and then, being 4. So that's what we got, and we will try and attempt to install this in our Jeep today. Okay, so we're here having dinner with Charlie.
Hello.
Who's helping us plan the route. Charlie has a lot of experience. He's from the East Coast, so we're taking his expert advice on the planning of our route for our trip.
Yes, because you've got a long ways to go before you get to the actual start of your East Coast and St. John's, Newfoundland.
We want to make sure we see everything.
So, because you're going up through Labrador on the way back, you're going to miss a lot of the Atlantic provinces, but you're going to see them on the way down. All right.
Thank you. Yes. We didn't get the heater done yesterday. And guess what? We're not getting it done today either. We took the heater out yesterday. We looked at everything. We read the manual. We were trying to figure out ways in which we could install it. We were trying to find a nice spot for it where it would have enough space and it wouldn't be too congested. And then we decided we'd put it somewhere in one of the cupboards. But then we had many issues come up, as in like where would the holes for the intake and the exhaust go. So we were trying to figure out in ways we could let those pipes out. And then it was nighttime. And we had to meet Charlie, so we went and met him, and it was a great meet because we got so much information from him, and he's been kind enough to offer us help. He has a nice garage and he said we could use it, and he has plenty of tools that we can use as well, which is something we really need because we don't really have the tools to drill holes into the Jeep. We're gonna go do that tomorrow. We're hopefully going to install both the heater and the battery tomorrow. Fingers crossed. Okay, hi. Like I mentioned, we're here at Charlie's place today, and he's helping us with the diesel heater and the battery. And we also have a special guest. Oh, that's Shan. But
that's George.
sorry, that's Jordan.
John will be here later.
But the special guest is right here. Hi. So we're taking the whole cupboard out because that's where the heater's going. We'll have better access to drill holes and stuff that way.
Excuse me while I go to the walk-in fridge. It's actually the walk-out fridge.
So you've all met Charlie, who's helping us with the heater and the battery. Now let me get you to meet Toner 2.0.
Sean.
Hello.
aka Sean, who's right here.
Hi guys.
He is helping fabricate something for the Jeep. So basically we have this fuel tank that supplies fuel to the diesel heater, and we couldn't find a nice place for it outside the Jeep. He's making something that'll help us mount that tank onto the spare tire. And he's a fabricator, so he's working on that right now.
I'm just gonna take this piece of plate that I've bent, cut some holes in it, put a strap through it, wrap the strap around the tire and tighten that on, and before I do that I'm going to take some tubing that I have here somewhere and cut it the right lengths to fit the holes on this tank. Thread them, put some bolts in, paint it up. It should be good.
Okay, so I can't explain how grateful we are to these guys because we don't know what we would have done without them. Also, I want to add that I literally haven't seen anyone work this hard on someone else's project.
That's a good body grab.
Charlie,
Yeah,
will you do the honors?
absolutely. Last piece.
We have heat.
We have heat. Look at that smile. This will be the first night we are sleeping in the Jeep with this heater on. It's about 3 o'clock or something in the morning. We were working on it all night and it's finally up and running. It's not the best place. We still have to mount this. We're gonna sleep with the heater on tonight and we'll see how it goes and we'll let you know how it went in the morning. Okay, so yesterday was the first day we slept in our Jeep with the heater, and let me tell you, it was amazing. We slept in our t-shirts and it was so warm and so cozy. I don't know how we survived without it all this while, and I'm just so happy we have it. We'll do a more detailed video on how we installed it and all of that, but the Chinese heater Works like a charm. I know this video is a bit lengthy and we're really sorry about that, but we just had so much to cramp into this video because we got the awning installed, we got the winch installed, and then we also had to move out of our storage unit. There was just a lot to cover, including our battery system and our diesel heater. So sorry if this is a bit lengthy, and I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for sticking around, and we're all set to head out on this adventure. All that's left for us to do is, well, for me to do is to get my license, and then we're off traveling. We're so excited. Hope you follow along and like this video if you like this video, and thank you. Bye. Subscribe.